Are you a coach who wants to deliver more value to your clients with less time invested so that you can go ahead and make more money and help more people? If yes, then stay tuned because in this video, I'm breaking down the exact program structure that I used in order to run the delivery for an 8-figure per year coaching business, and the same structure I've used to go ahead and help a ton of coaches either build or scale their existing coaching programs. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So today what we are going to talk about is automating your program delivery. Now, why might you want to go ahead and do this? The reason why is because if you go ahead and you set up the right systems when it comes to your coaching program setup and how you deliver it, you're able to provide more value to people, able to help more people with less time, and ultimately, the bottom line, you're able to make more money. So one of the most common things that we do see typically happen when it comes to coaches is that they're stuck. They can't grow. And why is that the case? There's two main reasons. Number one, they're stuck delivering all the time. So how in the world can you get on more sales calls? How can you continue to push forward strategy for your business if you're just delivering all day, every day? On top of that, too, they just physically can't take more clients. Obviously, yes, we talked about the fact of being able to do the sales calls, go and do the additional things. But if you physically cannot deliver for more clients, then you're not going to obviously go ahead and get more clients. So what we are going to talk about today are these two main topics. Number one is going to be the program structure. How do you actually set everything up? And then from then, we're actually going to get into the nitty gritty of what things you'll actually be doing on a daily basis and how you're actually going to execute upon this program structure. So jumping into the structure, the way that I have found the most success, and once again, we've helped coaches sell over $10.5 million online, and this has been the best way, is group coaching. Now, why is that the case? It's not only a group coaching with a high level, once a week call, that's all. No, it's something that is more done with you. Now, why done with you? Because ultimately we're here because we want to go ahead and help people. We want to get them a result and make them be successful in whatever endeavor we're talking about. If it's only done by you, then it leads it up to the person in regards to their own abilities and actually executing upon it, which really is typically successful. Now, if it's done for you, that becomes an absolute logistical nightmare and a lot of stuff for you to do, let alone the fact that the client, the prospect that you're going to be working with doesn't really have a good understanding of how to run the business themselves. So what we found is you go ahead and you do a mix of both. It's a done with you program. So it incorporates done by you aspects and also done for you aspects as well. The way that you'll typically see it is you do have this weekly call inside of the group. The caveat behind it, though, that makes it so much more valuable for your client, the person that you're helping, is having a dedicated coach. Now, you're like, okay, Chris, well, I thought that we're trying to go ahead and make this more automated, save more time. Trust me, you're going to get an understanding of this. So the way that you go ahead and you set this up is you have this group coaching offer. And once again, the beautiful part behind a group coaching offer, you could go ahead just as a singular person very easily take 50, 100 people, just you alone, versus if you're doing one-on-one, 50 to 100, that is a very difficult ask for you to go ahead and do. So the way you're going to go ahead and set up, once again, you have your weekly calls and you have a dedicated coach. Now, if you're just starting off, you can go ahead and be that dedicated coach until you're making sufficient revenue to then go ahead and hire someone. There's a lot of ways that you can go ahead and do this. Number one, you can either send from within. So you can take someone who is a client of yours, who's passionate about that, really wants to help others, and you go ahead and you rise them into the period or into the position of being a coach. You go ahead and you essentially hold both sides of you still being the coach while training this person. Then eventually this person just takes over. That's option one. Option two, you just go ahead and you hire someone from the Philippines, anywhere you want. I have a tendency to go to the Philippines because you can get quality people for a fraction of the cost of what you get here in the US. So with that, and ultimately what a dedicated coach is, and the reason why you can actually outsource to the Philippines, because it doesn't need to be a person with extraordinary amounts of skill or knowledge in your niche. Now, why you might be asking that? Because ultimately, most of the coaching is going to be done here inside of the group coaching and also in the video modules that you have from it. Now, if you're just getting started, what I do recommend is make the structure and then run through the group coaching modules where you just have once a week where you're going through all the content, you record those, and then you put that into a backend system. So now you have a step-by-step process that anyone who's going to go ahead and decide to work with you, they are going to essentially just go through this step-by-step, proven step-by-step process. And now you can go ahead and do that, which obviously for videos, it's not really any sort of additional work for you to go ahead and have them learn it. So you have these video modules on the back end, plus you also pair this with 1 to 2 calls per week. Now, in between those calls, there's obviously going to be questions and everything, and you don't necessarily need to have this dedicated coach. What I found, though, it makes it significantly more valuable because people can now get their personalized questions answered, everything like that. And by the way, getting a dedicated coach, someone from the Philippines, a full-time position, you're looking 500 to 1,000, maximum 1,500, 2,000, but you can typically get something in regards to a starting position around $600 a month. So that's the beautiful part. You can go ahead and be selling $5,000 coaching programs, and you can go ahead and throw 50 people into this group coaching offer for someone who's only going to go ahead and cost you $500 or $600 per month. So you go ahead and have that. And then on top of that as well, like I said, you have this structure, you have this step-by-step process that people can go through. And within this process, you want to make sure that there's preset accountability, that there are preset things they can go through and check people on. So as they're going through the video modules, as they're going through everything, they go ahead and they submit their progress. They ask questions, they do certain milestones. And when you set it up like this, delivery is fairly easy. As I said, many times you can go and easily throw 50, 100 plus people, even if it's just you and even one coach. To put into perspective, back when I was running a sales coaching program, the delivery side of things. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Chris. A lot of you leave comments and send DMs to me telling me that you need help. Do me a favor. I'm going to tell you the best way to get a hold of me. Shoot me a text message right now at 949-990-5808. Once again, that's 949-990-5808. I'll help you with whatever you guys need. I got your back. Let's get back to the video. We went ahead at the highest point. I'm talking the highest, most amount of people inside of our operations. We did have 14 people, which like, Chris, I thought we're talking about trying to automate as little people as possible. Wait for it. 14 people we had that delivered for 4,000 high ticket clients. I'm going to say that one more time. Over the span of 2 years, we had over 4,000 high ticket clients that paid us $5,000, $7,000, and $10,000. We increased the price over the 2 years to go ahead and go through this entire process. So what I'm sharing with you right now is not only stuff that I just read in a book. This is stuff that I've personally used inside of running a sales coaching offer, and something that I've also implemented with the coaches that I have worked with, and it has proved great success and makes it much easier for you. So now that we understand the high level structure of it is a group coaching offer that incorporates both done by you and done for you parts of it, where essentially you have a step-by-step process, you have video modules, you have weekly calls where you as the expert can go there and deliver en masse, because you could very easily, you could have 100 people on a Zoom if you really want to. That doesn't necessarily matter. You're teaching topics, you're having Q&A, you're recording the Q&A, you're posting that up inside the community. So that's very scalable. And then the biggest bottleneck would essentially just be this dedicated coach that, number one, you don't even need to have. But the beautiful part is that you can go ahead and hire people fairly cheap. And all that it is, this dedicated coach, like I said, they don't need an expertise in this space. All that they're doing is simply running your client through this proven step-by-step process with your preset accountability, with preset deadlines, checks, everything that is going on. So that is the structure of everything. So now as we're going into the second part of it, right? How are we actually going to deliver on this? Guys, it is nothing really crazy, right? We went ahead and talked about it. From a group coaching perspective, all that you're doing is you go ahead and you start off with a structure. And what is I should say the student journey is the word that I typically use for. Okay, so what's the journey that your student is going to go through? What is the step-by-step process that you can go ahead and get someone from where they are now to their ideal scene, their outcome, the goal of what they are looking to get by working with you? So let's go ahead and say step one is building the foundations. Okay, we're going to go ahead and give you the basic skills. I'll even actually give you the example with, for example, our stuff. Okay. After that, we go ahead and we get dialed in on the offer. Okay, cool. We've got your offer dialed in. Then we go ahead and we start talking about marketing. Okay, cool. How are we going to go ahead and generate leads? Right. Then next you have, okay, now we're going to go ahead and start making sales. Amazing. Then we're going to talk about how do you deliver on that. And then lastly, we're going to talk about upsell and ascension. Okay. So this is my proven step-by-step process, essentially, that the client would go through. And so now all that you're essentially doing when you sell this program, and here's the beautiful part, you don't need to make all the content before you go ahead and do this. It allows you to go ahead and sell it and then get paid in order to make it. And on the beautiful part behind it too, you're having market validation. What I mean by that, rather than you spending tens of hours making a program and assuming it's what people want, why don't you sell it? Confirm this is what people want, and then you're essentially getting paid to go ahead and make it. So inside of this entire process, right? So this is the high level student journey. And then basically inside of the back end of your program, you would just go ahead and make this. You'd have foundations. Okay, so what's part one of it? Okay, we need to go ahead and get, let's say, a CRM setup, and we need the website, and we need a professional email, right? And on top of that too, we're also going to go ahead and talk a little bit about just how to coach, right? All of these different things. So that is all that is. Once again, you are not making the program. You're not making the content. You're just having the high level. What steps do I essentially need to take this person through to get them from where they are now down here to where they want to be, right? Up here. So essentially, when it comes to your need to deliver and how you're going to execute upon this, you're going to go ahead, you're going to make your student journey, you're going to make the outline. Then once you've done that, you're going to get a little bit more clear of, okay, underneath each one of these 6 steps, what is each one of the, I don't say you need to go extraordinarily every single aspect, but what are the main things that you're going to need to go ahead and walk a person through in order to complete that step, that section. And then here's a really cool part. At the very end, instead of you needing to go ahead and do a lot of work or anything like that, you literally have them go ahead and submit it, right? So for example, people that I work with, the coaches, it's okay, go ahead and submit your CRM, go ahead and show the website, go ahead and help with the email, like whatever it is. And then you have that. And then now your accountability coach, whether that be you or the dedicated coach, accountability coach, whether that be you, whether it be someone else, you're just going and you're just simply checking essentially what they've done. And then you give the stamp of approval. Yep, we're good. And you move on to the next step. And in the ideal scene, these people only need the videos. But the reason why you have this dedicated coach and also why you have the weekly calls, because you're seeking to provide more value. You're seeking to fill the holes in between the program. And the cool part is as people also start to ask questions to you, oh, I don't get this, I don't get that. That's where you can start bolstering your product, your program, to have people go through. And so people, once again, you're having the best of both worlds, and the fact of done by you, but then it's also done for you on certain aspects. But it's really the most beautiful part behind it. It's a mix between all of this so that you can have the scalability of just a done by with the videos, but then you're having the coach, you're having the weekly call so that people are also getting the support and guidance that they need in order to be successful. So with that said, that is all that I have for you guys here in this video. It's not rocket science. It's nothing extraordinarily crazy. I want to go ahead and really just break down how simple it can be in order to have an automated system that allows you to deliver at we should call it deliver at scale and so much more than you are right now. So many coaches I see, they just go one-on-one and they go ahead and they have everything personalized and all of that. But when you really zoom out, regardless of whether what your niche is, whether it be helping people lose weight, helping people improve their relationships, helping people make money, any aspect of this, if you zoom out, there's a fairly similar process, fairly similar steps that each one of these people will take. Yeah, don't get me wrong. Each person's at a different place. Each person is slightly personalized. As a whole, though, it's fairly simple. Even, for example, me within my business, okay, we're helping coaches go ahead and either build and scale their coaching business. It's really not that difficult. We need to figure out who are you selling to and what are you selling to them, aka the offer. Number 2, how are we going to go ahead and generate leads, people interested? And then how are we going to go ahead and close them and then deliver for them? That is really it. And even though each person is at a different place, there are common steps that over and over and over again that these people will need to take in order to get to set outcome. So within that, to recap everything, if you want to go ahead and automate your program so that you can deliver for more people, you can go ahead and spend less time and you can go ahead and make more money, then the program structure you should be using is a group coaching program that is done with you, that incorporates both videos, weekly calls, and a dedicated coach with preset accountability. Now, once you go ahead and do this, it's just a matter of making your student journey, all the different steps they need to do, and then getting a little bit more granular. And this will be the modules, the sub-modules inside of your coaching program, the video modules. So with that said, that is all that I do have for today's video. If you guys did like this, please make sure to go ahead and like and comment down below. If there's any additional training that you would like to go ahead and learn, once again, do not hesitate to drop that down in the comments. And if you are not a part of it already, go ahead and click the first link in the description to go ahead and join our free coaching mastermind community, where I share literally everything that I know when it comes to starting and running a coaching business. Hey guys, I wanted to tell you that you are the true coaches and the real students. You made it till the end of the video. Do me a favor, share this with a friend who wants to go to another level. Also, make sure you like the video, comment below so I know who you are, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for the channel, as we will be dropping more valuable content every single day. See you soon.